Dementia caregivers. Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we are asking the question, what can you do if your loved one is restless at night? So, if you're caring for a loved one with mild to moderate dementia, you may notice that occasionally they are very restless in the evening. So, one of the things you can do is you can distract them by playing a game or taking out a puzzle, getting them to start watching a show or a movie, or there's something else you can do that might just totally turn the whole thing upside down. Take your loved one out for a ride. If you take them out somewhere for a nice drive, that might be enough. The movement, the fresh air, a change of scenery might really be enough to calm them down. For an added bonus, add their favorite music. If you know what type of music they like, find that station or put that music on, bring it with you, and make sure that they can take a drive and they can hear music that really makes them comfortable, maybe music they grew up with. And it doesn't have to be real long, but you just want to make sure that you are doing something a little different. Change the scenery, change the mood, get that fresh air. You can even stop and roll the windows down and take a look around before you make your way back home. But you want to just make sure that you're doing something that really changes things for them. And once you get them back, oftentimes the fresh air will make them really sleepy. So that could also be a win. For more ideas and solutions, check out the next video. Join athomewithdementia.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.